In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an image in Microsoft Copilot Desktop. To get started, open Microsoft Copilot Desktop on your computer. Once the app is open, begin by starting a new conversation. This gives you a clean space to enter your image request and helps keep the process organized from the very beginning. Next, click inside the prompt box and describe the image you want Copilot to create. This is the most important part of the process because the quality of the image usually depends on how clearly you describe what you want. Try to include details like the setting, style, lighting, colors, and anything you want to avoid in the final image. For example, you could type something like this. Create a photorealistic modern coffee shop interior with wooden tables, large windows, indoor plants, warm pendant lights, and soft morning sunlight. Use warm natural colors and do not include any people. After entering your prompt, send it and wait for Copilot to generate the image. Depending on your device and connection, this may take a few moments, so give it a little time to finish. Once the image appears, click on it to view it in more detail. This larger view makes it easier to inspect the composition, lighting, and overall quality of the result. If the image looks close to what you want but still needs a few changes, stay in the same conversation and enter a follow-up prompt. This is useful because Copilot can use the previous image and your earlier instructions as context. For example, you might type, "Make the lighting warmer and add more indoor plants near the windows." Copilot will then use your updated instructions to refine the image. This editing process is one of the most helpful parts of using Copilot because you do not need to start over every time. You can continue adjusting the image until you get the result you want. If needed, keep refining small details one at a time so your instructions stay clear and easy for Copilot to follow. That's all there is to it. Open Microsoft Copilot Desktop, start a new conversation, describe the image you want, send the prompt, review the result, and refine it with follow-up instructions until it matches your vision. And that's how you can create an image using Microsoft Copilot.